Welcome to the new Vaughn CPA Client Portal System. I'm just going to go over some of the new features of the system and help you get to know it a little better. First of all, we've added the ability to receive notifications via email if we update any projects. So as your projects are progressing through our company, you'll receive notifications every time something changes on your project. If you get multiple notifications and you don't see anything different, you're probably just receiving a notification because something internal has changed. Maybe a preparer is talking to the owners about something. Maybe a reviewer is talking to a preparer about something. There could be a number of different reasons that there's an internal communication that you don't necessarily see. It's perfectly all right, and don't worry about it. This area below shows each project or each return as it's going through our system. It'll show you the project, it'll tell you the year that it's for, and the current process it's at. It will also give you a status letting you know whether it's in progress or missing information. It will tell you who the staff member is that's working on it, and it will give you their email in case you need to notify them about something. So next you'll notice that the missing information is in red, and it also has an extra checkbox and an extra show tab. So what this means is that this return has information on it that we need to collect from the client. So as the client, you can click the show tab and you can look through the notes about the missing information to see if the information has been found or if it's still missing. In this instance, for demonstration purposes, we're going to pretend that it's still missing information. So if I look here, I can see the copy of my W-2s and driver's licenses have not been added to the system, or they don't have it on file. So to add this information, I'm going to want to be in the home directory by clicking the top level, and then I'm going to want to navigate to the folder where my tax return would be. In most cases, everything is going to be broken down by year. If there's other folders, that means there's other projects that we're working on that aren't necessarily relevant to a year. So in this instance, I know they're working on my 2016 return. So I'm going to navigate to my 2016 folder. Once I'm in here, I'm going to right click on my blank space and I'm going to say upload files. Once the new window is opened up, I have two options. I can drag and drop, or I can browse to find the file. First, let's drag and drop. I'm going to open my Windows Explorer. I'm going to find the file that I want, and I'm going to put anything in there for testing. So I'm going to grab this file and I'm going to drag it in here. It says there's already one in here that exists. I can replace it, or I can pick a new one. In this instance, I'm just going to say no because I don't need to add more files to the system. If I want to browse, I just do the same thing, right click on my white space, select the file, and browse to where I need to find it. Now that I've added this information to the portal, I'm going to want to go back up here to this missing information tab, and I want to check the box, and I'm going to click inform staff. Once I get the green successfully notified option, I know that the staff has now been informed that the missing information has been placed into the client's file, and if I refresh the page and I go back to the show tab, I will see the notification that I just sent. This notification is going to show up on the preparer's email, and they will get notified that you have added the information to the portal. If this box doesn't change right away, don't worry about it. This missing information box is only going to change once the preparer has started working on the return again. So once they come back to the return and they start working on it, this box will change from missing info to in progress. Well, that concludes my demo of the client portal system. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at info@vaughncpa.com.